If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie as Anambra the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
As Anambra State gears up for the local government elections with Anambra State Independent Election Commission bill sent to the Anambra State House of Assembly, the state chairman of Labour Party in Anambra State, citing the passage of the local government autonomy bill by the National Assembly, suggests that INEC will conduct a better election than the state electoral body.
We will contest, but the fact is that he is circumventing something. The National Assembly has passed local government autonomy bill and has removed the conduct of local government election from ANSEC, he is passing, to INEC. You know that when they are using ANSEC to contest election, it means that the bulk is on the governor's table. They don't conduct elections. They just chase us, push us out inside the field, and then announce whoever they want. But it's not the same thing as if when INEC conduct the election. You understand? So let's see what goes.
Honorable Ugochukwu Immanuel made the statement as he welcomes an old-time friend and a political associate who decided to join the Labour Party after decamping from the People's Democratic Party on Sunday, 2nd of June 2024 at Obianagha Compound, Ogidi.
Immanuel an old-time friend, an old-time political associate, decided I be a Labour Party. I will be man a big fish guy cash. No one with Reverend Dr. Immanuel Obianagha Decamps. No, medical with I am a Labour Party both in people physically and spiritually.
Reverend Dr. Immanuel Obianagha, the old-time politician who contested for state delegates election in Mushi local government area of Lagos State and won in 1993, described the People's Democratic Party (PDP) as a destroyed party. He also stated that his reason for joining the Labour Party is come 2027, he will ensure P2B becomes the president of Nigeria.
Even PDP has all of this, that umbrella, one umbrella, and I don't know. And then one, what do you do? I never did to as a stakeholder, PDP. More game put up for presidency 2007. Under PDP, imagine as a stakeholder. I followed them to Abuja. Abuja, what are T7 what's the way they belong? Council on Ube one now, and the P2B with the right person. P2B aka na-agwa ndị mmadụ na-aka prespa n'ọnya ịchọ n'ọnya afọ the next president ebutere ya ntị ndị odoro anya adị ọ Peter Obi egbu iyi achọ ọzọ ife ame na ya emezi plan for Labour Party Peter Obi bara na as president kama ihe lụtara m I'll fight for him to be the next president of Nigeria
Come 2027.
Come 2027 kama ọ bụrụ na eso anyị ihe lụtara m.
Reverend Dr. Immanuel Obianagha, who once contested for the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, was recognized at the event by politicians who were once members of the old MPM for his political doggedness over the years, and was also welcomed into the Labour Party in Ogidi by the state chairman of the party, Honorable Emme Ugochukwu, the local government chairman of the party, Akonye Wetelo, and also the honorable member representing Idemili North constituency, Anambra State House of Assembly, Honorable Kingsley Azubike Udemezue Ezenwa.
It will never go dry anymore. And a good thing going forward and don't give that transformation.
From Obianagha compound, Ogidi, Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekeze reporting.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie as Anambra the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 08039167049 or you WhatsApp 08065796599.